I'm Dieter Hauwaerts, VP Operations at Celyad, and Celyad is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on discovery and development of cell-based therapies for life-threatening diseases. And we're active both in cardiology and immuno-oncology. Well, what is currently very exciting is the clinical data coming out. In the end, that's where we're all doing it for, and that stream of new data coming out with multiple therapies, multiple approaches. That's the exciting one, and we're looking forward to more data, not only in liquid cancers, liquid tumors, but also in the solid ones. Now, crucial besides those clinical data is the way we can manufacture those products in a reliable and consistent way. Automation is talk of the town. So I'm hoping in 2017 that by combining efforts from manufacturers, suppliers, and automation companies to really have a breakthrough there. Well, public opinion obviously is very sensitive to treating those diseases. Those are widespread diseases with very few options for patients nowadays. So in that respect, I think public opinion is very positive. We do get some comments on cost of those drugs, and I think that's something we really should be working on towards the future to make those available to large patient populations. It's certainly one of the limiting factors nowadays to have larger scale manufacturing is the availability of suitable raw materials. Historically, a lot of those processes were developed with raw materials from biological origin, and moving away from those towards more chemically defined materials will certainly help advancing the field. I think it's, for a development company, very important to start working on raw materials early on. Already in process development, take into account the quantity and quality of raw materials you will need in a clinical stage or commercial manufacturing process. Build good relationships with the suppliers and take it from there. When developing the process, not only looking at a product that works, but also making sure that the way you get there is optimal in terms of the materials you need and the quantities you need, is a key consideration to limit your cost of goods. From a development perspective, those processes are typically developed in R&D labs with a goal in mind, having a product that works in the animal models or in vitro studies. And optimizing quantities of material often is not a consideration there. And due to the speed required in development, not everyone goes back to the bench and makes the exercise to optimize the amount of materials needed. And that is certainly for the materials from biological origin that are expensive. Getting the optimal quantity right can give you a lot of cost saving.